Hello garden friends! If you are looking for a very special plant that loves the summer heat, can withstand anything and shines like the sun itself, then you must know Bracteantha Sunbrella from Provenwinners. Originating from Australia, Sunbrella is the queen of modern straw flowers. Papery, shiny, colorful blooms that look as if they were hand-painted. They come in several fantastic colors: sunshine yellow, fury orange, bright pink, deep red and a pure white. A real explosion of energy and vibrancy. Sunbrella is perfect for pots and planters in full sun, for terrace arrangements and windy balconies, and for warm Mediterranean flower beds and dry gardens. Now, what are Sunbrella's strengths? Well, it withstands extreme heat, drought, wind and rain very well. Sunbrella takes it all in stride and keeps blooming like nothing happened. It flowers abundantly in most vibrant colors from spring to late autumn, and its flowers are gigantic compared to other varieties. And finally, it's very low maintenance. However, it thrives on regular watering and fertilizing. Like most plants, they of course appreciate a gulp of nutrients now and then. Sunbrella flowers do not discolor or spoil in the rain. They are always perfect day after day. And what's more, they certainly give a wonderful everlasting touch to dry bouquets or summer decoration. Now what about you? Have you ever touched or even planted a straw flower? Try Sunbrella and tell us about your experience in the comments. Please like and subscribe to our channel to regularly discover new special Provenwinners plants. Plants that go the distance and look amazing doing it. My dear friends, see you next time. Bye bye!